We're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 40-gallon natural gas water heater. Up here on the top right, you've got a brand new shutoff valve, Watts 3/4 inch, full port ball valve, quarter turn on, quarter turn off, and then a little brass piece of pipe to a Falcon stainless steel connector, and that comes down to a brass extension on the cold side. Over on the hot side, you've only got a 1/2 inch line stubbed out, so there's a little bushing on the end. That's all existing pipe. And of course another Falcon stainless steel connector down to a brass 90 and a brass nipple. So all your connections on your water are brass or stainless steel, so it flows real well. Up here is your existing piping going up into the ceiling and all the way through the roof into a bonnet, roof flashing up there on the roof. We just gave you one new adjustable 90, and that's all your existing piping. Relief valves included, and we got a dielectric union over to copper tubing, and then it turns down and goes through a brand new platform we built on the bottom. There was a lot of corrosion, a lot of water, a lot of molds. We cleaned everything up, sprayed it with Clorox, cleaned it up, and then built you a new platform for this new water heater to sit on. So that's good. Over here on the left-hand side, you've got the brand new gas valve, quarter turn on, quarter turn off, and then of course, brand new gas connector going over to the controller. Right now, this is set at 120 degrees, so if you could leave it there, that'd be great. Uh, Adjustable strap on the upper third and adjustable strap on the lower third. So, and that's code. You can see right here it says hot. That's approximately 120 degrees. And A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. We recommend leaving it where it's at. Little cap right there in the event of leaking, which it shouldn't, but we just put it in there as a point of courtesy. And of course, your model number, serial number, you can get with Bradford White and register it. Everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.